chances for rainfall in the forecast, kind of scattered throughout the next 3 days. But here's the thing, the most widespread rain, that's going to hold off until Friday, and chances are you're going to remain dry over anything else. Throughout the day today, we have increasing cloud coverage. I would say we sit at about a 10 to maybe 20% chance for an isolated shower to pop up in the forecast. So again, opportunities for rainfall are very limited. I've taken any pops out of the forecast for today. Anything under a 30% chance I typically don't talk about. Then as we head into early tomorrow morning, we could see a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. This might sneak up a little bit further north. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a slight shift in this model as we continue on throughout the day today. And then partly sunny skies throughout our afternoon hours. Another opportunity for isolated showers and maybe a weak thunderstorm come late overnight Wednesday and into early Thursday morning. But notice how again models now are kind of driving this slightly out of our area. So our chances for showers are extremely limited in terms of coverage area. And then as we track throughout your Thursday, this is when we have really warm temperatures building back into the forecast, still underneath dry conditions with our more widespread chances for rain coming normal afternoon as well. In terms of our temperature trends, we're going to make our way back into the low 60s for our forecast high. Now I do want to point out there is a cluster of showers. These showers are anticipated to fall apart for the most part. This is what gives us about our 10 to 20% chance for an isolated shower today, but they will bring increasing cloud coverage into the afternoon hours, so it won't be 100% dry. As for our temperature trends, we make our way to around 48 degrees by 10 a.m., making it to 59 by 2 o'clock, and then into the low 60s by 4 p.m. Notice that cloud coverage starting to make itself known right around your lunchtime hour, ending the day with mostly cloudy conditions. 62 degrees will be our afternoon high and much calmer winds after a very, very windy Monday. That will not be the case throughout the day today. Warming conditions continue on. We're talking low 70s by tomorrow and then upper 70s headed into your Thursday. This comes as a warm front starts to nose itself in, right? We're going to notice that warmer temperature trend to come along with it. Then we see our widespread shower chances on Friday, a bit cooler into Saturday. This warming trend is expected to continue though over the next several months. By the time we hit May 15th, we should see average temperatures in the 70s. By the time we hit July 1st, everybody, we will be in the low 80s. So we are on the up and up from here. Lakeshore boundary today, making our way, increasing cloud coverage into the afternoon. Man, was it windy yesterday. We saw multiple wind gust reports in the 40s. That will not be the case throughout the day today. Winds are fairly consistent, sitting at about a 5 to 10 mile per hour rate, gusting at best near 15 miles per hour. So you can go up and go around and pick up anything that blew around yesterday. It's safe to do so today. Here are those isolated showers that are trying to approach us from the west. They're going to lose steam, lose umph as they do so, bring us some increasing cloud coverage, not bringing us much in the way of chances for rainfall. I would say we sit at about a 10 to 20% opportunity for a stray shower in the forecast today. That means chances are you'll stay dry. Throughout your Wednesday, increasing the opportunity for an isolated shower and maybe a weak thunderstorm in the forecast. As for Thursday, it will be the early morning hours that I think we have the potential for maybe an isolated shower, but back to dry conditions throughout the remainder of the day. Friday's the real deal. This is when we're actually going to see scattered showers and storms. This is when you need to plan for wet weather, not necessarily severe weather at this time. We'll watch for it, but I don't really foresee that.